Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. The wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place.
All right, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. So if you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so the unit I am rocking was sent to me by Wigs. Shout out to you, Wigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking, it is a 6x6 lace closure bob. Yes, girl, a 6x6 lace closure bob. The specifications are, the SKU is APPL.ICATION. The hair length is 12 inches. The density is 180%. The lace color is HD lace. The construction is 6x6 lace closure, and the cap size is small. So those are all the details and specs that I have on this unit sent to me by the company. Okay, so once again, this is a 6x6. So literally, y'all, this right here goes from here to here. Like, it goes from here to here, and then you have parting space all the way to back here. I kid you not. So even though it's in a like curved part, I kept the curved part because that's how it came. But you can part it however you want, and you have all of that space. Like, it's a lot of space, okay? As far as shedding and tangling, I haven't noticed any straight out the packaging. I'm sure, you know, at some point it will, but straight out the packaging is not. Typically with units that are like bobs and stuff, I don't really get a lot of shedding and tangling from those units, especially one that's like a looser curl. Now, if it's a kinky curly unit, yes, but as far as like this sort, child, my bra just want y'all to see it for some reason. But as far as this type of unit, no. So even if it does shed and tangle, I don't expect it to shed or tangle a lot, okay? Like my shorter units are the ones that always last me the longest, whether it's human or synthetic. Now, as far as the lace, I feel like the lace looks really good. Like, I think with this unit, you can really get away with not adhering it whatsoever. You can definitely wear this unit glueless. They do, as they say, they sent me a small cap size. So in my opinion, it's a small cap size. Okay, I was able to make it work, and it works really well glueless. Being a small cap size, but I would say whatever is your size, get your size, okay? If you have a small head, this is gonna work. If you have a medium head, you probably can make it work. If you have a large head, no, okay? So get whatever size you know you wear. Whatever cap size you wear, get that size. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now this unit did come slightly pre-bleached, so I did not bleach the knots whatsoever. What you see is what you get, okay? I didn't touch them knots, girl. So that's that, and it did come pre-tweezed. So really this unit woke up like this. It's a really beginner friendly unit. So those are all the details and specs. Now we can get to my pros and cons as well as full 360. Alright y'all, so you guys know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note. Now I'm gonna be honest y'all, I struggled with the con with this wig, okay? I struggled with the con, but I'm gonna say that the con is gonna be this little part right here. I like how now some units come without that lace, you know, that thick part, if that makes sense. Some of the closures come without that, and that's the only thing I could think of to say that that would be the only flaw I could think of with this wig. So that's just gonna have to be it. And the pros are endless, okay? They're endless. I love the texture of this unit. I love the closure. I love how much parting space you get. I love how beginner friendly it is because it came pre-tweezed and slightly pre-bleached. I love everything about this unit. Like, those are all my pros. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig, y'all. I mean, I listed a million pros. So yes, I would recommend this unit, especially because it is extremely beginner friendly. Y'all, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know your thoughts and opinions. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe, if you think it's all of the things. Sound off down below in the comments. And once again, thank you Ywigs for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and on DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I'll see you lovebug next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style.